Here we are today, Hill Country pressure wash and carpet cleaning. We're using a 15-inch surface cleaner. We're doing Chuck Woolery. If you were a comedian, you would know or love to watch a comedian. We're doing his home. But Alan is on the surface cleaner 15-inch. We're cleaning around the back patio in a pool area. So it's gonna look sharp. See how clean that came. It's better than using a yellow tip or a green tip. Comes up nice and clean. And you see just how clean that 15-inch surface clean with a 4400 GPM predator. Anything less, you start having problems. Cleaning the limestone. That technique that he uses as he goes along and cleans and gets the surface clean off of the limestone, pushes the dirt away. Because you don't want the dirt to resettle back in the limestone, just like it has holes in it, pores in the stone, and that's how it starts to develop. That's a simple technique. As you work along, you get to figure out how to use that 15-inch surface cleaner to move dirt off of the clean surface. See how the stuff builds up around the pool. You got the green, algae stuff, you get the black moldy stuff. And you'll see there's a little technique that you can work around to move the dirt off of the clean surface that you just cleaned. That technique, pushing the dirt away. You don't have to come back with a wand to clean it, to rinse it off, but we still do. It just makes it more easier to get it out of the way now than later. We'll come back for a final quick rinse, but it won't settle back into the porous limestone. Okay.